Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will play with Cocomelon family and sing a nursery rhymes. Rain, rain, go away. Now Daddy will slide down the red color water. Yoo-hoo! Good job, Daddy. Next is Mommy. Mommy, your turn. Let's go. Yoo-hoo! Mama in the blue color water. Grandpa, red. No. Oh, green. Grandpa. Grandpa in the orange color water. Grandma, your turn. Yoo-hoo! Great. Next one is Yo-Yo. Come on, Yo-Yo, go, go, go. Yay, I'll help you. Oh, Yo-Yo in the green color water. This is JJ. JJ, come on, come on, come on, baby, come on. Oh, last one is Bingo. Go, Bingo. I help you. Oh, yoo-hoo. Good job, guys. Now we will sing a nursery rhymes. Rain, rain, go away, and see who is inside this colorful water. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh yeah, this is JJ and Mommy. Let's see who is inside this orange color water. This is Grandpa and Bingo. Hi, Bingo. The last one, no last one. Next one is green color water. This is Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo, hi Yo-Yo. Last one is purple color water. Who is inside this purple? Oh, no one inside this purple color water. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.